Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your fast charging not working on VIVO V60E. Let's begin! First of all, we want to head into our settings. Then, we want to scroll down a little and enter battery. Now, we want to head into battery health and charging, and right here we have fast charging, and as you can see, currently it's enabled. If you accidentally have this disabled, then this means that your fast charging will just no longer work, unfortunately. And yeah, to be honest, that's all for this video. You will just want to make sure that this is enabled. And if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.